ungqongqoshe uGwahube uthi ukubhekana nobuqhwaga nodlame oluyamene nobulili okwenzeka ezikoleni kudinga ubuholi obuqinile kanye nokusebenzisana phakathi kwabazali, abafundi, abaholi bomphakathi nezinhlaka zomthetho. Ugcizelele isidingo esiphuthumayo sokuphepha nesithunzi sabafundi esikoleni zaseNingizimu Afrika.
Part of the reason why we are here is that we have partnered with the European Union and they've essentially given us an injection of 5 million euros, which we will use essentially to fight issues around gender-based violence, bullying in all our schools. So we're really incredibly proud of the kind of partnership we've formed here. We've particularly chosen this school in El Dorado Park because, of course, there's been a lot of incidents, there's a lot of violence in this particular community. So we thought it was fitting to come and launch here as a back-to-school program to say this year we're going to be intentional about making sure that we are dealing with bullying and violence in schools, particularly gender-based violence, and this financial injection is incredibly important for us in doing that.
Ukwethulwa komkhankaso wokuphepha ezikoleni kuyingxenye yohlelo lukaNgqongqoshe olwaziwa nge-Back to School kanye nokugcizelela ukuzibophezela kukahulumeni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izikole ziyindawo ephephile yokufunda nokufundisa.
The pledge is framed so that in each and every class we have this pledge that will remind us of the commitment we have made to make sure that our schools are safe.
Abafundi nothisha bacikiceza izivumelwano sokuzibophezela ekutheni lungabibikho udlame ezikoleni.